Alright guys, I'm making this video to show you how the soft start and the air conditioning work. I'm going to test my AC amps peak before installing the soft start. I have the meter here, the clamp meter. Then in this case, the LRA is the peak, maximum peak. In this unit is the 83.9. Let's see how much. I'm gonna put the scale here, put to read the maximum, and I'm going to turn on the AC here. And let me see. Okay, let me drop temperature here. Controls, cool. Okay, I have to drop temperature to turn it on. Right. Okay, it was 67 right now. I mean, the maximum is 83.9. Now it was 67. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on because every time it's not gonna be the same. Let me shut it off. And I'm gonna wait a few minutes to turn it back on. 67. Let me turn it off here. I'm using this cheap clamp meter because my good one is not working fine. And I'm not 100% believing in this, but let's see how much it's gonna be the peak right now. Let's wait a little bit. And I have another app here that kind of tell me. I have an app here that read the meter. Let me see, this app sends. Like you're gonna see the peak of the AC. That was the peak for the AC. Yeah, when I turn it on, that was the peak. Let's see after install the part, the soft start, how much would be the peak. Okay. Let me turn it back on now. Let's see how much is it. No, I know this meter is not working fine. Yes, compared to the one, it's too low. Let me reset it here. Try now again. Sorry for that. Doesn't make more sense. That's the peak. Alright. You can see the app here. Look at the peak here. Let's see after install the soft start. Let's see how that looks. And the number here too. I have right now here 9.6. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna make another video after install the part. Okay, guys, we're back here. I already installed the soft start. We're gonna test now the peak in amps. As I said before, the unit maximum is 83.9. Then we've been reading 75 or 76, something like that. I have my own app here that read my meter, see the peak, how much will be in watts. Well, let's do it. Let me put the here max. Let's see how much we got. Okay, you see here, 25, from 74 to 25. That's the max peak in this unit, right? You see that one? It's 25. Let me see here in the app. Yeah, the app doesn't have a peak, only a little bit here. Before was higher. Yeah, nice. 25s, and I have maximum here 84. So good deal, man. You're gonna be protecting your compressor, which is very important right now. They're phasing out the 410A. You're not gonna be able to find anymore the 410A unit in the supply. You have to go with a new refrigerant, which is light flammable. I don't like that at all. Okay, 1.5 is the maximum. Here I've installed my soft start. Alright guys, if you're interested, you can call us. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, this is the third video on making after install the soft start. Right now it's in delay. I'm gonna wait for the AC to come on, see how many amps, because the other one, I mean, watching the video, I wasn't able to read the meter because of the glare. Right now I have focused the meter to see how much amps gonna be the peak after the installation of the soft start, the air conditioner. Yeah, it should be almost ready to start. I have 3-minute delay in the device. That's gonna protect the compressor too. The compressor gonna be protected on over voltage and under voltage is 24. That's the number, 24 amps. And the maximum in the tag is 83.9. Then it came down to 24 amps when it starts.